We are problem solvers. Everybody's got a problem they have to deal with. We have to find a way. EVS manufactures product from bare sheet metal up to a finished product with powder coating. We have lights out punching, which runs 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, robotically loaded turrets, robotic brakes. Hi, I'm Brent with EVS Metal, and we specialize in precision metal solutions. Sheet metal fabrication, machining, in-house powder coating, value-add assembly and testing. We do everything from design support during R&D up to final product, assembly test, Kanban. We deliver via our own trucks, and we can support you from start to finish. So our parts are anything from small parts like the one I'm holding here. This is a medical device. It's actually a cart that wheels through a hospital. It's a cardiac assist unit. It's a very complex assembly. These are mounting ears for a handle. This is a welded component. There's spot welding. There's welding in the corner. It's very thin gauge aluminum, which is challenging to weld without distortion. The tolerance expectations are very high. We worked very closely with the customer on a means of meeting their cost expectations, and it's ultimately masked and powder coated. $1,500 to $2,000 a year in a dedicated assembly cell. Everything's made in America. We have 4 facilities servicing the whole country. We are in Riverdale, New Jersey, Keene, New Hampshire, Stroudsburg, PA, and Austin, Texas. 250,000 square feet, 250 employees, lights out manufacturing, a lot of automation, robotic brakes, robotic welding. Customers come to us sometimes with prints only, sometimes with CAD data, or just a sketch, and they're looking for help with the design for manufacturability. We specialize in that. We can really help customers if we get involved early in the process, keep cost out of the product. So when it gets to production, it's not set up in a way that you're married to something with too much welding, too much grinding. One of our big successes was a customer who developed 4 different cabinets that were all welded and ground with hundreds of inches of welding. And they needed a cost reduction. Their current supplier couldn't help them. We were able to take 20% out of the cost of the product. And we ended up winning $1 million of business. So this is a product we built for a customer up in New Hampshire. It's actually ultimately a powder-coated product. This was a machined part originally. We bought a multi-axis laser machine to be able to feed the tube into the machine and laser cut all the holes and all the features on this part and eliminate 40% of the cost of the part. This is a relatively simple sheet metal enclosure with some PEM nut installation, some masking for grounding, and powder coating. There were some unique challenges with special radius tooling that we had to deal with. It's also silk screened. We do that in-house as well. And we did 3,000 of these in a 2-month window using robotic forming and lights out punching. Customer service is the most important thing. So we work very closely with the customer to help them manage their challenges. And we have a lot of unique ways of doing that. We have customers whose demand can quadruple in 1 month with no notice, and we'll source that product. We will share the files and the whole process with one of our sister facilities to be able to handle that when it happens, if we know it can happen and we communicate up front.
See us and other quality suppliers at d2p.com.